What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we'll be taking a good look at Bitcoin. I'm very, very sorry that I didn't make any video on Sunday nor Monday. A whole lot happened. First and foremost, I was in a huge loss in a trade. I was making profits. Then all of a sudden, it seems like all the profit I made last week, I lost all the profits, including my capital, some of my capital. During the weekend, I was trading Tensor and Fatcoin. I was shorting Fatcoin, and all of a sudden, I was in a profit. All of a sudden, it didn't even get to 20% of my first take profit. So that was how I ended up. I ended both trades in a loss, but I got into an Ethereum trade. I think I told you guys I'm waiting for ending of the month. So most of the most of the money that's left, I push them into ETH, and I'm in a profit. Though I'm close to recovering the losses, but I'm still in a loss. But in the Ethereum trade, I'm in profit. So that is just all I have to say. I just want to let each and every one of us know that okay, we are back to Bitcoin. Definitely. I never wanted to look at the chart. But I realized that at the end of the day, I have to move on, and I ended up realizing that moving forward, I won't trade any coin that is not more than or up to 5 years in existence. So Tensor was manipulated, Fatcoin was also being manipulated during the weekend. So I learned the hard way. Yeah, I learned the hard way that when I want to trade, I should trade coins like XRP, Cardano, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and every other coin that have lasted for like a particular amount of years. So, and even if I want to trade 100% of my capital, out of 100% of my capital that I want to use to trade, 70% should go into coins that have been in existence for 5 years and above, while the remaining 30% can go into coins that are less than 5 years. So that was what I learned. If not, I wouldn't be here. I would have still been sucking and all, but I just have to make sure that I'm here. We are not giving up. The bull market is just about to start. I'm not giving up. You shouldn't be giving up. So sorry for wasting your time. I'm very sorry that I just uploaded. I'm just uploading to let you guys know. So according to what has been happening, a lot has been happening. Trade war, like I said, but at the end of the day, that is the reason why Bitcoin was created. As we all can see, the S&P 500, a lot of stocks have been having a lot of turmoil here and there, because during the weekend, no tariff trade between any US and any country was closed. So because of that, no agreement and all what's not. And the 19 days tariff war, this thing that is on hold, is still pending and it's still counting down, and no conclusion has been made between US and any other country. So that the reciprocal tariff was imposed on. So therefore, we should be expecting a decline from these stocks, and that is the reason why cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, was created. Bitcoin and gold was created for this kind of situation, whereby if things is not going on well in the economy, Bitcoin is definitely the go-to asset that you should be holding. That's why I've been saying right from the onset that all this tariff and everything, it got nothing to do with Bitcoin. Bitcoin got nothing to do with politics. Bitcoin got nothing to do with inflation. If things are really getting hard in the economy, that is when Bitcoin is meant to do well. That's when Bitcoin is meant to do well. If there is war, Bitcoin is meant to be doing well. If there is war, I'm not saying there should be war, but that is the reason why Bitcoin was created. So I'm not surprised why Bitcoin is actually pumping, because I'll be saying that there is more likely a high scenario of us going up. And if we are to actually go up, as I said, I felt that we need to test this level, which was the 69,000 level. But it seems we just don't have the time to test that level. We just have to pump. But though we've been pumping for a while, I'm definitely expecting a pullback one way or another. I'm expecting a pullback. Now if I should take all these things away from here, for us to see what is really happening, you would see that from the weekly, I drew this chart from the, I think, 4 hours time frame, from the 4 hours time frame. This Fibonacci, yes, I drew it from the 4 hours time frame, from the high to the low. So as we can see right here, we've been at first, this resistance which we broke above, as you could see, we broke above this resistance, we retested it, and we started pumping. So which is making our next target to be, probably in the long term, to be $102,000 is our next target. Now if we're going to get to this $102,000 and drop down, then we should be looking at this this level right here, which is 91,000 as our area of support left to me, because we've broken above this resistance, which has now kind of become our support. So I'm expecting 90,000 to be our next support, our current support right now. If we happen to probably bump all the way to 98,000 and we are kind of retracing, which is very healthy in the market, then 90,000 92,000 is our next area of support, which is really good. I'm going all in on Ethereum once they pay my salary. Thankfully, updates from my place of work, there is the KPI will be reintroduced once more. So KPI, 30% of my salary will definitely be going into my account before ending of the month, which is really great for me, because when I'm done with this stuff I'm doing, this government stuff I'm doing, they will definitely increase my salary in my company. And when they do that, there will be a lot of money flowing into crypto, which I'll be using to trade. So you guys should not miss out, especially missing out on my journey on expecting Bitcoin to dip in probably late this year, November, December. When Bitcoin starts dipping, I will start opening a long position, probably ending of 2026. Yes, so you guys should subscribe, turn on post notifications so you won't miss out on my journey, so you can join me in my journey to become a multi-millionaire in crypto. Right now, I have nothing. I'm not a multi-millionaire. I'm not even a thousandaire in crypto right now. So it is very good for you to like subscribe to this channel now, so you watch me grow and you can also grow with me. So yeah, without wasting much of your time, I would say for weeks to come, we could see Bitcoin rallying up to 102,000, but our next area of support is definitely $92,000. So this is the first case scenario that will probably play out. Now just in case we don't like hit 102,000, our next area of support in the short term is definitely $98,000. So once we get to this level, that's if we're going to hit this level, we're definitely dropping to $91,000, our next area of support, before we know if we might probably consolidate here before breaking out. Yes, this is just the second possible scenario that will play out here. Or because if we come to the 1 hourly time frame, we could see that we tried as much as we can to break above this level. So the fact that we broke above this level, we haven't retested here, so we might have to come all the way to 91,800 to retest it before moving to the upside. So this is all you need to know right now on BTC. BTC is doing very well. Like I said, there is every likelihood for BTC to hit $150,000 this year, guys. So without wasting much of your time, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button so you won't miss out any of my videos, and also subscribe, because I'll definitely try as much as I can to be talking about trending coins here and there once in a while, just to analyze the coins that are trending yeah, you can just tune in and all what's not. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful week. Yes, have a wonderful week. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button and share this video. And you are still very early in crypto. You can still buy crypto now. Links are down below if you are looking for a platform where you want to use to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and every other cryptocurrency. Bybit, links are down. The link is down below. Referral link, use it to sign up and start trading either spot or derivative. Bybit, Gate.io, and Weex, links are down below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful week once again, and happy Easter in arrears. Yep, thank you guys, and peace out.